Today's date is August 29th, 2022. And this is kind of like the view from the kitchen sink. So I spent most of the day working on getting the generator out of here. It was down there, as you can see. I had it there. I've had it there for several years, but it's vibrating the hillside. My hillside is, I don't know if you can really tell, but it's probably 60 degrees. Down here is even sharper. So anyway, all of this is going to come out. I'm going to put a ramp in. So this is a facsimile of what it will kind of look like. It's just going to go down there for about 50 feet and then do a 90 and then another 90, and then it's going to, the rest of the ramp is going to come down here. Right. It will join up with this handrail right here. So it'll be kind of a smooth ride for a wheelchair. So, and here's the generator. This is all propane. So the next thing I have to do is I got to cut these off right here. And right there. I'm going to do that once I get it up here in the driveway. And that will allow me to clear that space up there, solve the vibration problem, get the generator in the back of here. I only have 20 inches to work with, so that's why I got to cut that off. And I'll pull the hoist out and lift it up inside of the truck, and I'll be almost ready to get out to Joshua Tree on Wednesday. Okay, well, I just got through cutting that one. I'm hoping that when I close the lid on the truck, that'll go down enough. So anyway, I'm going to make 4 more cuts. Okay, well, I got those cut off. And let's see what the height is now. That's 18 inches or somewhere about that. So, and the top of this is 20 and a half. So from the top of that right there, the ridge is to the top of this. Boy, I can't get it there. Here, that's closer. Is 20 and a half. And there's a little bit of room up there, but anyway, it's a net fit, it looks like. So that won't tuck the dashboard down. So okay, so what I have to do now is put the hoist together, pick this puppy up and put it in there, and then start cleaning up this mess. So I'm gonna put it on time lapse. Well, I got her in there. I got it strapped in. So as you can see, that part right there on the, we'll see how that interacts with the lid. It crushes it down there. I got to get my light. I don't have. Anyway, I'm going to go get my light and see how the. I don't think it's that critical. I could trim it off. I'm going to look at it. Okay, well, I got my argon tank, my generator, the tractor hoist, floor jack, and I got to get my tools and everything else in here, but plus I have oxyacetylene up in the front seat. So this right here represents a closed circle. I got it up here. So anyway, tomorrow this will be all cleaned up and we'll be ready for Wednesday.